Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will tell you that how to book and pay AirArabia ticket in your agent ID. First of all, select your desired destination and also select your prescribed date. Then click on search option. Here you can see 3 different fares. Some are direct flight while some are on transit. I have selected the direct flight. Now you can select without baggage. Then again fare code. Here you can see the fare which is selected by the airline. Now you can put your passport detail here according to the passport information. First name, last name, your country, date of birth, along with passport number of the passenger. In the below windows, you can put your contact number as well as your issuing country. Then you can hold your ticket and click on the hold tab. Here you can see in the next window that can you add extra baggage in your flight. I have selected the flight without baggage and then apply to all. Now you have selected your flight without baggage. In the next window, you can see that you have hold your ticket. Now you can again retry your PNR on the basis of passport information, last name of the passenger and first name of the passenger. Here you can see that your booking is on hold. Now you can pay your ticket. Here you can check the detail of your ticket. Then click on the payment option. Click on the payment option here. In the next window, you can see the fare which will be deducted by the airline. Now you can pay your ticket. Click on the below tab, pay and continue. Now you have successfully pay your ticket. In the same way, you can get your print itinerary. Click on the view itinerary. Now you can retry your paid ticket here. Here you can see the CNF that you have paid successfully. Now you can get print of your ticket. Click on the view itinerary and continue for the printing. Kindly share the video, like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.